there can be only one ring to rule them all. He is the one. I am the one and only. Maybe we're overthinking it, but Cambridge Audio's latest all-in-one music system makes a subtly bold claim. The concept of one has always held powerful significance, whether as a singular force of destiny or, in this case, a single device promising superior performance. But outperforming the competition is no easy feat. While the market for all-in-one systems isn't as saturated as Bluetooth speakers or wireless earbuds, top-tier rivals like the Name So 2 and the Ruark Audio R410 set a high bar. So, is the Evo One truly the one for you? For price, the Cambridge Audio Evo One is a premium offering with a price tag of £1,299, $1,499, or $2,499. This aligns with expectations for a product of this caliber. The Name So 2 originally launched at a similar price but has since dropped to around £899, $899, while the new Ruark Audio R410 stands at £1,299, $1,699, $2,599. So how does Evo One justify its cost? Build design. Visually, the Evo One blends modern and classic aesthetics. Its rectangular brutalist-inspired design, coupled with a dominant front grille, offers a stylish yet understated presence. Compared to the Ruark R410's retro-modern charm and the Name So 2's industrial elegance, the Evo One holds its own in the style department. It's a hefty unit measuring 12.9 x 67.5 x 29 cm and weighing 14.5 kg, so you'll need a solid surface to support it. The removable honeycomb grille sits snugly, and the walnut top panel adds a premium touch. A recessed base stand subtly elevates the unit, reinforcing its bold, high-end look. For user interaction, the Evo One features a 17 cm color display showcasing album art, track info, and virtual view meters. Below, a set of physical buttons offers direct control, though they feel slightly on the cheaper side. A utilitarian remote control is included, but for a more modern approach, the StreamMagic app handles all functionalities while also unlocking streaming and customization options. Features. The Evo One's features are designed for both convenience and quality. The StreamMagic app allows users to fine-tune their listening experience with a 7-band equalizer. It also grants access to direct streaming via Tidal Connect, Spotify Connect, Deezer, and Qobuz, supporting high-res audio up to 32-bit 192 kHz over Wi-Fi or Ethernet. The device is room-ready and offers connectivity options including Bluetooth 5.1, AirPlay 2, and Google Cast. Though Wi-Fi streaming is recommended for the best sound quality, wired options include HDMI IRC for TV connectivity, a moving magnet phonostage for turntables, an analog line input, an optical digital input, and a USB-A port. The Evo One houses an impressive 14-driver setup, 4 25mm silk dome tweeters, 4 57mm aluminum cone mid-range units, and 6 70mm woofers, all powered by 700 watts of amplification. Digital signal processing is utilized to ensure deep, clear, and controlled bass sound. The Evo One delivers on its promise of an expansive soundstage. Regardless of your position in the room, the system maintains a consistent sound balance. Its spacious audio dispersion makes it an excellent choice for social gatherings, ensuring an even listening experience across a room. Sonically, the Evo One embodies a mature and controlled character, excelling in smoothness and refinement. It avoids harsh trebles and overpowering bass, opting instead for an organized, well-rounded presentation. However, its lower frequencies occasionally feel slightly detached from the mids and highs. In direct comparison, the Name So 2 offers a more cohesive and punchy performance. For example, Hans Zimmer's Up is Down is rendered with smooth, fluid dynamics, allowing for natural volume shifts. However, with more energetic tracks like Space Hogs in the meantime, the Evo One lacks the punch and verve of the Ruark R410. While the Evo One is sophisticated, it doesn't quite unleash the raw energy found in some competitors. Beyond streaming, we tested its wired capabilities. The built-in DAC performs decently with a Cyrus CDI player, but lacks the clarity of its analog input. Similarly, the internal phonostage, while acceptable, feels dynamically restrained compared to dedicated alternatives like the Riga Phono Mini at 2D MK2. Verdict: the Cambridge Audio Evo One is a strong contender in the all-in-one market, but falls just short of greatness. If you're after the absolute best in sonic performance, the Ruark R410 offers more dynamism, while the Name So 2 provides a punchier, more entertaining experience now at a lower price. That said, the Evo One still has plenty to offer. Its sleek design, versatility, and extensive feature set make it a compelling choice. If you value room filling, balanced sound with a refined touch, the Evo One might just be the one for you.